head ladler.
So we came home from our yard sale running around, and we were told that we had after we ate, after we washed our hands and everything, oh yeah, there it is. Does it say, no, it doesn't say extreme or anything, but
Boil water nose.
yeah. We washed our hands. You didn't wash the vegetables, did you? Please say that. Okay. Well, we made lunch. Probably washed the counter with the water. Let's be honest here. And we found out that we are on one of the most, I think it's the most extreme boil advisory we can be on, which is terrifying. There's like feces in the water and stuff. I got really grossed out thinking I washed my hands with that. We came into the car, we washed our hands with like these bleach Lysol towels. We're running out to go get water before it's all gone. Gordon is gone to like a state of emergency. It is definitely something we've never experienced, the idea that we can really wash our hands with the water, that it's contaminated.
Our dogs can't use the water.
Yeah, dogs can't have the water. It's flooded everywhere. We saw a video of the creek that we use for our water. I'm not going to try to butcher the name of it because I just cannot even try. And it's like brown and overflowing into people's houses and stuff. It's really, really actually scary to think that we've even maybe drank that water. So we're going to go and see if we can get water here. This is definitely going to be an interesting vlog, so you'll want to just follow along and be very thankful that you're not going to where we are right now.
Okay, let's go get some bottles. Huh?
Bottles?
Did you film that?
Some of it, yeah.
You still on?
Yeah. And there, you can barely see it because Mom tucked it behind the seat, but... Oh yes, yeah. Classic crazy girl. Everyone has the same idea now. So...
Everybody's gonna have to be.
You know, it's a little different. So this is our life right now. Boiled water to make coffee, which will be boiled in the future. Because, yeah. And then the dog's bowl is coming out of a water bottle right now. And that's for the dogs in the back room as well. Yeah, I think, yeah. 6 dogs. If you guys go back a while ago, like years ago, I did them as little puppies in my videos, so. Yeah. Can we even brush our teeth in this? Okay, we have to use bottled water to brush our teeth. Can't drink the tap water or anything. It's gonna be a fun couple of, well, who knows? It might be a fun month. They have no estimated timeline on it. It's just, I just had to show. It'll be weeks. Well, Mom says it'll be. So I don't know if you guys can hear that or not, but according to Mom, it will be weeks because they have to flush everything out apparently and boil it to use. But still, if you boil it, it takes a while to cool it down after.
It's good for washing dishes and that kind of thing.
So yeah, washing dishes, but not for drinking, because drinking you'd have to boil it, put it in individual glasses so it would fit in your
Well, put it
fridge.
in juice jugs or something and then cool it. Delivery by bottle.
Yeah.
But we're going to hook up the water for her now.
Yeah. There's Lily. Okay. There's a hello? Oh, and there's a baby. Oh. So yeah.
Sunday is third. Today is what? Monday.
Oh gosh. So the boil advisory has only been on for 2 days. And it already feels like a million. We have this fancy setup here, where we're filling it all up. I'm going to fill up the dog's water bowl here. We have Mom boiling pot after pot of water. You'd be surprised how much water you use in a day to do like drinking and washing your hands and your face and stuff. It's quite shocking. You don't know until you're on a boil advisory. Let's see if I can. This thing barely even fits in here. This is like difficult. And done. Okay. Now I'm gonna give these pups some water. There's one that light here. Hi guys. What are you guys doing? You just don't like being on the camera, do you, Bethel? Oh, okay. Oh, dude. Just lick the lens. You don't lick the camera lens. Crazies. I don't know what Yogi's doing, but he's licking his blanket. Dogs are strange. No good with water in here?
Yeah.
Is Mom making supper? And next to her,
Oh, no.
they can't see you.
They can't see me.
No one can. It was your shoulder up or your shoulder down.
Yeah, I don't want my body in the pants, shall I?
Deal with it.
I'm trying
Yeah.
hard.
Okay, back to the point. We are filling this thing nightly pretty much.
Well, twice a day usually.
Twice a day? Okay, I was wrong. Twice a day.
Today we did, because I had done everything up last night, and we done it last night.
And then we're ladling water out of it, so it's been a lot of fun.
Head ladler in here.
Oh, look, she's gonna demonstrate.
Head ladler.